How many push-ups should you do every day for bigger chests? Do you know how many push-ups you should do to build the perfect chest? Well, push-ups are an excellent form of strength-building exercise. Many people either overdo it or underdo it. Push-ups are a challenging exercise, and to master this form of exercise, you need to practice. It can be challenging for beginners, and especially for those who are overweight. This video will tell you the exact number of push-ups per day and the right strategy you can follow to get a bigger chest in 30 days, because it's essential to do push-ups the right way. We will show you the recommended numbers and the right way to perform push-ups at your home or gym. Let's talk about our main question. How many push-ups should you do each day? The number of push-ups you should do each day will vary based on your current fitness level and other factors such as age, sex, and weight. At the same time, fitness trainers advise performing push-ups in 3 sets. For example, if you are a beginner, try to do as many push-ups as possible in 2 minutes. Let's consider you can do 9 push-ups. So, this is your starting number. You have to do 3 push-ups per set, and 3 sets would make up 9 push-ups. Don't worry, if you can do 2 push-ups in the initial phase, then do it. Try to improve yourself gradually. One question everyone asks is, how many calories do push-ups burn? A study by the Center of Disease Control and Prevention, or the CDC, and the American College of Sports Medicine showed that if you perform push-ups for 1 minute, you can burn around 7 calories. How to perform push-ups. The correct posture is essential while performing push-ups. Just follow these steps. Get on the floor on all fours, positioning your hands slightly wider than your shoulders. Don't lock out the elbows. Keep them slightly bent. Extend your legs back so you are balanced on your hands and toes. Your feet hip-width apart. Contract your abs and tighten your core by pulling your belly button toward your spine. Inhale as you slowly bend your elbows and lower yourself to the floor until your elbows are at 90-degree angle. Exhale while contracting your chest muscles and pushing back up through your hands, returning to the start position. Keep a tight core throughout the entire push-up. Also, keep your body in a straight line from head to toe without sagging in the middle or arching your back. Essential tips for proper form. When performing a push-up, keep your back straight and your core engaged. Your butt should be down, not lifted. Your body should form a straight line. Don't arch your back or let your body sag down. There are several benefits of push-ups, and it's one of the leading exercises most athletes and fitness people recommend to build a perfect chest. They are very beneficial for building upper body strength. They work the triceps, pectoral muscles, and shoulders. When done with proper form, they can also strengthen the lower back and core by engaging or pulling in the abdominal muscles. In short, push-ups are a fast and effective exercise for building strength. They can be done from virtually anywhere and don't require any equipment. Are there risks of doing push-ups daily? Yes. One risk of doing any exercise every day is that your body won't get any rest. So always take 1 or 2 days to rest each week, so your cells can recover. Consider it as your workout rest day. How to start doing daily push-ups. Start performing push-ups every day by testing how many you can do at one time or within 1 minute with proper form. Then slowly increase the number you perform each day or every other day to build up strength. If push-ups are too difficult at first or you're a beginner, start with modified push-ups on your knees or against a wall. Make it more challenging. Make push-ups more challenging by doing the following variations. You can also practice push-ups with your feet or hands on a medicine ball for an additional challenge. Conclusion. Start performing push-ups every day by testing how many you can do at one time or within 1 minute with proper form. Then, slowly increase your number you perform each day or every other day to build up strength. You can start with 20 push-ups, but do not stick to this number. It is essential to keep increasing the number to challenge your body. If you can keep on doing 20 push-ups for 3 months, your muscles will become familiar with your 20 push-ups a day routine and will stop growing. Ideally, it would be best if you tried to do 3 sets of 12 reps each day. This will help you gain muscle strength. If you want to try a push-up challenge to do the exercise daily or several times a week, try different types of push-ups. The variety will keep your muscles guessing and help you get more fit overall. If you like our video, press the like button and hit subscribe button. Check out our other videos on building strength and muscles fast. See you in our next video.